If you live in Nigeria or most other parts of Africa, getting a PayPal account that works and can send and receive money is always a problem. And if you want to make money online as an African, you will always need PayPal accounts to withdraw your money. The problem, PayPal doesn't work in most African countries, and that includes Nigeria. We cracked the code to opening PayPal accounts in Nigeria and it works 100%. If you keep to the PayPal general rules, you will never have any issues with restrictions using this PayPal account that I'm about to show you how to create. So let me show you how. All you have to do is to open a UK PayPal. You can use a VPN to do so, or you can use the PayPal settings to configure your browser into United Kingdom in the PayPal website, and then you can go ahead and create a UK PayPal. The only issue that you will have here is that you will need to verify that PayPal account using an active United Kingdom phone number. If you try to use any of the free numbers all over the internet, it will not work. So what I do is that I buy a working UK phone number from Vike or CloudSIM. It's around 10,000 Nigerian Naira if you're paying in Naira. You only need to buy it once, and that is all you will have to spend to make this PayPal account to work. But make sure that you set up this very correctly, and then you want to use an authentic UK contact address while doing this. That's all you need, and trust me, it works perfect. And I have created PayPal account for so many people using this method. Then, if you need to withdraw your PayPal money directly into any of your Nigerian bank accounts, just install Grey app on your phone. Make sure you set it up correctly using your correct details, and then do your KYC, and you are good to go. But if you want us to help you create your PayPal account so that you don't make mistakes and then probably waste money and this doesn't work for you, then you can always contact me using the WhatsApp contact in the video description. Just check the video description. I'm going to leave a number for you to chat, and then we can get it set up for you. Please, it is not free, so if you think you want us to help you do it, you can go ahead and chat us up. And if you want to do it yourself, of course, you can use this method that I just explained, and then you can get your PayPal account ready and start receiving money and withdrawing your money into your local account using that method. Please like this video, share it, because I know that quite a number of persons will also want to see this information. Thank you. I'll see you in another video.